it's my papa me. Do you see it out here moving freely?
Oh, hello, Papa.
Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like days.
Hey you, thanks for stopping by. If you can't already tell by the title of this video, I am doing passion braids intentionally this time around, because you know the first time I did it by accident, but with different hair. So if you would like to see how we get down up in here, stay tuned to watch the rest of this video. Wait. If you are not subscribed and you enjoyed the content that you've seen so far, if you've seen some of my content, please subscribe and help your girl, because it does something to the analytics when you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, it boosts me up to support your girl, you know. All right, let's get right into this video.
I'm a down south with a west coast vibe. Keep the vans on when I slide. Still bang screw when I ride. Palm trees when I walk outside. I'm a down south with a west coast vibe.
I am keeping the parts for the previous style that I've just removed, only because I love the way I parted. So for me to take out the parts just to redo it, it's gonna add on 2 hours, and for what? So I'm just gonna hop in the shower, shampoo my hair, deep condition it, come back out and remove each rubber band and reapply it so that the part is still intact, if that makes sense. Let's get into it.
They speak through me in whatever kind of way. It doesn't matter how I feel or if what hurts me don't seem too real. They lift me up through thick and thin until I lift my chin and give them a grin. On melancholy Sunday, I wanna show you something, wanna tell you something.
Just stepped out, fresh out the shower. I gotta step out, it's gonna take me 5 hours. Your girl's so fresh. I'm scared. So I washed my hair with the rubber bands. I did not end up deep conditioning it because I washed my hair with neutralizing shampoo, which might be weird to some of you. But if you're a 4C girl, especially, try washing your hair with that specific neutralizing shampoo. And I guarantee you, after your wash, your hair is going to be clean, but still soft. It's not gonna feel dried out or anything. So that's like my thing now. So yeah, anyways. So because my hair was extremely soft, it didn't feel dry, I just added some leave-in conditioner by this brand. If you watch my wash day routine, I go into depth about how amazing this leave-in conditioner is. Really good. As I said previously, I did wash my hair with the rubber bands in it so I can keep the part. So I'll just be going back and removing the rubber bands, combing, making sure my hair is detangled, and putting edge control at the start just to refreshen the parts. So yes, it's going to be the same edge control I used in my last tutorial, which will be the She Is Bomb edge control mixed in with the Milk Honey Tame Me. So let's get into it. I didn't get the typical hair brand that I go with, which is usually the Freetrish Water Wave, but this is almost the same quality. It's Jamaican Roots, and I've used this before, so it's really, really good quality. If Freetrish is ever sold out in your local beauty supply store, I would highly suggest this brand. Here's the brand up close. I am cutting them in half because it comes in 24 inches. I don't want it that long. I want it to be bob length. The styling process is pretty much going to be the same. If you watched my last Passion Braids Fell video, you'll be familiar with how I crochet it. But nonetheless, I'm still going to do a step-by-step process if you're new here. Without further ado, let's get right into the steps.
Only thing that changing is the time. Everything will fall in line. Be patient with the grind, cause we gon' shine. Be patient with us. Be patient with us. You messed up when you let us in. We're changing everything, feeling in my melanin. We them boys about to start the rockets up again. With my ride or dies in it to the very end. Sun kiss got the cocoa. Treat it like the least of these, I do the most though. Flip the OP, going posto. Try to call a shot, you in the post.
Shoot your shot long range. Doesn't matter if you make the miss, the ball gonna come back to you in the game. Same blood with the same. Take time to
Pull out your hair. If it's dry, you definitely want to moisturize it. It's the continuous spray bottle, by the way. I like my hair to be extra moisturized because I feel like it just blends better. I'm gonna take my Eco Style gel, apply it to my hair strands. Depending on how thick you want your braids, this step can be different for you. For me, I start off with 2 strands only because the crochet tool can't fit 3. Then I pre-stretch it, meaning instead of aligning it perfectly, I extend it, if that makes sense. Just look at what I'm doing here. I take my crochet tool, put it underneath the rubber band, take the strands that I pre-stretch, twist it. That way it can easily fit inside the crochet tool. Close it, pull it through. Now, you don't want to do this and pull it through. No. You're only going to pull one side through. So it should end up being able to do this. Okay? You're going to only split your natural hair in 2 sections while you take the weave and begin braiding in 3 sections, if that makes sense. Make sure you have a tight grip at the root. That way your braid can start off nice and tight. Once you get down to a certain point, you're going to want to begin loosening your grip. Oof, my gosh, the edges are being pulled today. So yes, you're going to want to loosen your grip. Then take your rubber band and tie it at the end. The braid does not have to be neat because you are going for kind of like a bohemian look, so it doesn't have to be neat.
Boy, you too crazy.
You change me, you change me. You change me, you change me. You change me. I'm sliding through the night, I'm out in Richmond. You should come out to the bay, spend some time. I promise I've been on my best behavior. I've been drinking, I'm trying to get it on. You spend all your nights in the house, you know I understand. You know what it's like to lose a life, and I understand. You've been keeping to yourself.
like me and your hair is way longer than your desired length, like if you're trying to go for a bob look, I'm going to teach you a trick that doesn't involve you cutting your hair. You're going to do the first couple of steps as normal. Once you are for sure that your hair is no longer out, you're going to take a rubber band and tie it. Okay, so I know it's long, don't worry. Now you're going to take scissors and cut the excess off. I'm going to cut it to about right there. You see how it's obviously longer than the other two here? To get this bob length, you're going to begin pulling the braid apart. It's gonna give it a boohoo look and at the same time shorten the braid. So just pull, keep pulling until you get that desired length. Voila! And now you have a bob and you didn't even have to cut your hair, baby girl.
I need you. You change me, yeah. I need you. You change me, yeah. I need Spent so many nights with different women. Understand, I'm not that man no more, I promise. I need you. You change me, yeah. I need you. You change me, yeah. I need Spent so many nights with different women. Understand, I'm not that man no more, I promise.
If you have made it this far into this video, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, as always, feel free to comment them down below. If you have any video suggestions, please feel free to comment those down below. And if you enjoy my content, please leave a like and or subscribe to your girl's channel. Until next time. Baby, it's my bob for me. It's my bob for me. Do you see it out here moving freely? Stiff wear.